Fucking people up with a hammer? Is that your hobby? Oh, holy shit. What's up, yo, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. We're about to watch a horror movie, bro. Texas Chainsaw Massacre, right? Yeah, 1974. I'm hoping this is the original, bro. Anyway, without wasting any time, bro, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 1. A Vortex Hinkle Hooper production? A film by Tobe Hooper. Okay.
The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youth, one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Wait. Off the bat, this is based on a true story? Creepy, bro. Wow. What are those, cops?
Officers there discovered what appeared to be a grisly work of art. The remains of a badly decomposed body wired to a large monument. The head, or in some cases the extremities removed, the
What?
remainder of the corpse left intact.
Oh. Huh.
Suspects are in custody as the investigation at the scene continues. Oil storage units
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god, dude. We're going in an inside journey into these murders, bro. Damn. Oh, Tobe Hooper is the producer and the director. Okay.
minor wounds at Bentop Hospital
Oh.
and released.
What? Huh. What's up, gang? You on a road trip or something? Wait. What's that cane for? What? Oh. Whoa. Yo. Oh, there he goes. What? He's fine. He's fine.
When malefic planets are in retrograde, and Saturn's malefic, okay, their malefice is increased.
Oh.
It just means Saturn's a bad influence. It's just particularly bad influence now because it's in retrograde.
She has a good perspective, though. I'm so glad to start this franchise, bro. I've always wanted to see the Texas Chainsaw.
Sure. You go tell him your granddad's buried in there.
Ah,
Things happen here about. They'll tell about.
uh-huh. What happened, dude? Oh,
There's them that laughs and knows better.
actually, it's true, bro. Most of his type of characters, even if they're telling the truth, he will be like, come on. Huh?
That's where Grandpa used to sell his cattle. Hey, you see those buildings there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where they kill them. They bash him in the head with a big sledgehammer. Oh, that's awful. They usually wouldn't kill him on the first lick.
Oh, it's a huge farm, bro.
Now they got this big air gun that shoots a bolt into the skull and then retracts it. It's just boom! Goes boom! And it's just bang, please.
Please change the subject, bro. You're making us uncomfortable. Huh. I need that knife. They're gonna take him? Oh, they did. No good deeds goes unpunished, so let's see where this is going.
I think we just picked up that. Where you headed, man? South.
Huh?
Look at that place.
It's clear that he's crazy, bro. Right?
Hey man, you go.
What's that, dude?
Hey.
What?
Hey, yo, Escalating.
What?
Hey, take the hit.
And what?
Well, except for the top. So the nose and the gowns and all the pressure they pull on down to a big chili effect.
I'm looking at your obsession, bro, and you're fucking crazy.
You like it?
What are you doing?
See? He's fucking crazy. What? See? Nope. Just leave him by the side of the road, bro. Please.
Good night.
Please leave him by the side of the road. He's trying to take a photo of who? All of them? I guess.
Take me to my house. I live right off this road.
Really?
Oh man, we're in pretty much of a hurry.
Yeah, can't you just walk, bro?
I think we better push on, man. Don't you, Jerry?
Yeah, just keep on rolling. Leave this crazy motherfucker out there.
It's a nice picture. Hey, you can pay me now. Huh?
Oh, what?
It's a good picture.
What are you trying to do, Bennett? I guess. You going to start a fire inside here? Okay. What? Stop. Thank you. Jesus Christ. What? Crazy? Just crazy, bro. Oh, jeez. I mean, I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Astrology. Your daily guide. Huh? I bet these books are worth 5 billion these days. You just know, right? The gas station.
My tank's empty.
Huh?
This boy won't be here until late this afternoon.
Oh.
Maybe not even until tomorrow morning. You don't want to go fooling around other folks' property. Some folks don't like it. They don't mind showing you.
Yeah. They will shoot your ass.
Look, I got some good barbecue here. Why don't you fellas stick around here a while? Best you stick around here.
Something sounds fishy.
Don't you think you would have told us if there was?
Why that short, bro? Like, trying to show me some ass?
Oh, there's blood on it.
Just throw the knife, bro.
You think you could do that to yourself? Crazy.
Right.
It takes something, though. I mean, just to do that to yourself like you did that.
Would you call that courage? No. It's just being dumb.
Frankly, you're crazier than you are.
We're going out to Grandpa's place, aren't we? There's a creek. You could go.
Blood stains out there.
What are you doing? You want some of that?
Damn, it's so well directed, bro. I love these shots.
Franklin, if we run out of gas before we get back to that service station, which one is it?
Are you literally using the same knife? I wouldn't do that. No, thank you. Dude, look at the way that house is looking. Hell no. For me, I wouldn't do that, bro. No, thank you. Nope.
It's the Mark Zorro. He's gonna get you.
Holy crap, dude. This place looks haunted. The hell is that? Oh, so many spiders, bro. Well, yeah, it must be her, so man. Well, it looks like they're having fun, bro. He's not having fun, bro. Like, oh, jeez. Oh, oh, he's having a terrible day, bro. Okay. Is it the same symbol? Some ritual shit. Is someone watching them? What's that?
Gasoline.
A house?
I can leave him my guitar, give him a couple bucks.
I wouldn't go and investigate there, bro. No, no, no. But for some reason, it seems active, right? Guess there's people here.
Hey, come here!
Huh. It looks neat on the other way, right? What? Is that a tooth?
Got something for you.
What? uh, and it just opened. Do not go in there. Do not go inside. Yep, his Damas will go inside, right? Wow. You still go inside after looking at that, bro? No. What? Oh. What? Just like that? Dude, he was hit with a fucking hammer. No way. And who was that? Had the mask or something. Oh shit. You too? What? It's literally designed for a sick mind. Ah. Yep. She's going to be sick, bro. Oh, fuck. Run, bitch. Run! Ah, no. Are you kidding me? Oh, wait. The hook? On the fucking hook? Ew. Ow. Ah, Jesus Christ. What? Oh, the chainsaw. That's where the title is coming from, right? Fucking hell. What the hell? What the fuck was that? Dude. And they don't know anything. So, shit. They're gonna realize they're missing and then they're going to look for them and get fucked up too. Shit.
I mean, he doesn't know her name.
Ah.
I gave him your name, Frank. Can I go too? I think you better stay here.
Yep. Please stay right here.
Sally, did you believe all that stuff that Pam was telling about Saturn and retrograde and all that?
Oh, I believe it now.
Everything means something, I guess. Sally, what now? Nothing.
Oh, dude, speak your mind.
Never mind.
And it's sunset, bro. What's that?
That's you?
Oh, fuck. Right inside, bro. Shit. Oh, fuck. There's someone in there? No way. Oh, wait. Who the hell is this crazy guy? What you looking for, you piece of shit? Fucking people up with a hammer? Is that your hobby? Oh, holy shit. What? Oh no. You fucking kidding me? And it's night time. And you're just signaling that guy to come and find you.
There must be
I mean, I don't blame you because you don't know, right? Dude, it's fucking pitch black out there. Like, what?
Sally, we ought to go to that gas station.
Actually, he's talking sense.
Can I see the flashlight for a minute?
Oh shit, she's going to investigate.
Frank, let me see the flashlight. I'm gonna go with
Uh.
you. You don't have to go. Look, I'll go with you, but I won't hold on. Just go and
Oh, come on, Sally.
Alright, Sally, wait. Sally, wait a minute. I'm coming with you.
Ah, and here they go, bro. You're going straight to that murder house.
Very well.
Ah.
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
Oh! Damn. Oh. Ah. Jesus Christ, bro. Damn. Run! Run! Holy shit, dude. You're just running. You don't know where you're going. This is crazy. Oh, fuck. Yo. Holy shit, dude. I feel so bad for people who watched this in 1970s, bro. In the fucking theaters. This is creepy. Where do you run to, though? Yo. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, where do you go? Oh, back in the same house? No. Lock the fucker out in his own house. Oh no. Oh fuck. Please? Does that look like a person to you? Holy shit. Oh. Damn, bro. I would freak the hell out if I was in that place, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god. What? Damn. Damn. What? Oh. Dude, it's pitch black. You can choose the car. You don't know where you're going. Like, what? Oh, she made it back. Maybe these guys can help. Ah, jeez. Oh, she's traumatized. Rope? What? Oh, shit. Damn. What? Damn. Oh, she just faints, bro. I like the whole no CGI thing, right? In a sack? Do you really have to do that? Dude. But why are you poking her? What? Maybe this whole area, they are all in it. You know what I mean? That is why the meters are so high at these places. What the fuck? Oh, it's that guy. The crazy dude. Has to be like a family, right? Fuck. See? It's a family of crazies, bro. So he must be the dad, and these two are brothers. Holy crap! Tying her to a chair. Did he just say, "I thought you were in a hurry"? Dude, he can actually discipline this crazy kid. What you doing? Grandpa?
You just take it easy there now.
Dude, what would be the emotions going on if you're in a situation? Like, wow. Oh my god. It's a corpse, bro. The one that she saw upstairs, right? Oh my god. What? He's alive? What the fuck am I watching, bro? Oh my god, we're at the dinner table, bro. It's music to the ears.
I just can't take no pleasure in killing.
What? So there's that other guy can kill, you can just cook.
Grandpa's the best killer there
What?
was.
They're literally giving him the armor, bro. Grandpa is the best killer we have? Like, what? Oh. Damn. Oh my god. No. Oh. I can't. Uh-oh. Huh. But she was hit, bro. Where'd you go? He's going to catch her. Oh my god. It looks like they're having way too much fun, bro. Yes. Oh damn. What? I thought you were gonna drive. Ooh. What the hell is going on here? Oh my god. She actually survived? Bro. This movie is amazing, right? Oh my god. As a horror fan, I was totally missing out. What was that? That's amazing. I mean, damn. I'm totally going to watch all the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movies, bro. The director for this, they did a good job, bro, for its time. And I like the fact that it doesn't have, CGIs and everything. It was just practical effects. Amazing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next time in the next reaction. Subscribe on your way out if you want to see more content of this in the future. And I'm out.